And more.
Hi,
You hold your
Caleb.
head up,
Almost 10 weeks old.
and you're standing. All by yourself.
Pushing yourself up.
What else are you doing? Can you tell us a story? Tell us what's going on. Yes? What else? What else is going? You got the hiccups now. Let's do some jump ups. Woo! Caleb stands up. Whoop. Caleb stands up.
And then goes down and up and down.
Woo! Strong legs. See how flexible you are? Do a tummy crunch. Ooh, all the way to the floor. Good job. Push yourself back up. Woo!
There you go. Anything else you want to say, Caleb?
Say something. You blowing bubbles this week?
Yeah, the bubbles.
You blowing bubbles? There's a big bubble. Pop.